picked this up today for free in the free pile. And you know, it's pretty cool. It's Art Deco piece. Let's see if we can change this into something pretty cool really quick. First thing we have to take off is the top. Scroll. The top is off. Now we spray it. Thinking this should be gold. That part. Then we'll use chalkboard paint for this top. So let's paint it. Let's spray paint it. Hey! You know, try not to spray the building gold. Cool.
Yep.
Okay, now we got this, and we got a new cameraman today, Parker, and so we're gonna while the paint's drying, we're gonna upholster this thing. I mean, it's a quick, easy one. We're not trying to do something crazy. It's just a fast one, you know. See, nice. Well, seems dry. I ran out of painter's tape, so I would usually tape that, but we're just gonna have to be precise and use these and go around that first with the chalkboard paint, or the chalk paint, and then after we go around that, then we'll paint the whole thing. I'm just showing a quick flip here. So now we're gonna just go all around with it with this harsh brush, because we don't need it to be all smoothly fine. We want, you know, we're looking for a rugged, because it's a rugged thing. So now I'm gonna go all around it. Maybe I'll put gloves on. Should I put gloves on? Yeah, put gloves on. Alright, so now we put the top on there, we did the paint, put the little new top on there, make sure it's even. There you go. Free thing to something. Yeah. In less than an hour and 30 minutes of time. Yep, you can do that. You can make something in a little amount of time.